Wow, it finally happened. You're switching over from an iPhone to an Android phone. And if you want to actually bring all your data from the former to the latter, there's plenty of easy ways of doing that nowadays. By far the easiest are the various transfer apps that have been developed by the companies. So for example, if you're switching to Samsung specifically, there's the Samsung Smart Switch app, which first and foremost you want to download over on the iPhone you'll be transferring data from. It should be automatically installed on your brand new Samsung device. So then simply just open the app and select Receive Data, and then select iPhone or iPad as the source, then connect up the two via cable. Keep in mind that you may need a Type-C to Lightning cable if you still have an older iPhone that uses that rather than USB Type-C. If that's an issue, you can instead select the Get Data from iCloud Instead button, and it will guide you through instructions on how to do that. Another method is using Google One, which is Google's special backup service. And no, you do not need to have a Google One subscription to do the rest of this process. Make sure to install Google One on your iPhone and then log into your Google account. Then hit the three-line menu in the top left and then go into Settings. Then tap on Sync Settings and then sign into your Google account and make sure that everything is ready to be synced up. Then simply just repeat the process over on your Android device in the Google One app and you'll be able to carry everything from there as well. However, there's also the Switch to Android app, which is very similar to something like Smart Switch. However, it does not require you to have a Samsung phone specifically. So once again, make sure to download that from the App Store on your iPhone and then open it up. Then select Copy Data, and then repeat the process on your Android device until a QR code pops up. Then simply scan the QR code with your iPhone and the data transfer process will begin. If you want to just transfer contacts, then simply go into your settings on your iPhone and head into Contacts. Then tap onto Accounts and then tap on your Gmail account, or simply add it if you haven't done so already. And then make sure Contacts is selected, as well as anything else you want to transfer, be it mail, calendars or notes. You can also transfer it over via iCloud, so this is how you do that. Once again, go into Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Then tap on iCloud, and then in the menu that pops up, select Show All. Then tap on Contacts in the next menu and tap on iCloud Backup. In this next menu, make sure that Backup This Phone is enabled and tap on Backup Now. You can then go over into iCloud on your Android and download all of that information to your brand new device. If you also want to sync your calendar via iCloud, simply go to iCloud on a desktop and select Calendar from the menu in the top right. Then tap on the Calendar Sharing button on the left hand side for the calendar you want to copy and select Copy Link. Then over on Google Calendar, hit the settings icon in the right hand side and go into Settings. Then import a calendar by pasting the link you just copied. Transferring photos can be done in one of many different ways, either using those apps I already mentioned, using iCloud, or also it can be done manually via any service of your choice. For example, you can copy them over to your Google Drive, you can send them over to yourself on email, you can copy them into Dropbox, or also do so via a cable. You may also just simply copy them all onto your PC first, and then once again copy them over to your brand new Android phone. If you want to transfer music via YouTube Music, simply go to music.youtube.com in a web browser and then log into your Google account. Then click on the profile button in the top right and select Upload Music. Then upload the music files you want to share. If you want to instead transfer music from iTunes, well, this is exactly how it's done. Open up iTunes on your PC and then go to your library. Then select all the songs you want to transfer over to your Android phone. Right click and select Show in Windows Explorer to show exactly where all that music is. Then using a cable, connect up your phone to your PC and find a music folder that pops up there. Then just copy over all the music into your phone. If you want to move your WhatsApp chats over to your brand new device, well, here's how you can do that. First, connect up the two devices with a cable and then open up WhatsApp on your iPhone. Then go into Settings, then into Chats and select Move Chats to Android, after which it will guide you through the whole process. Now, if you want to transfer your eSIM over, that will be a bit difficult given how they are bound to your device, and the process will differ slightly depending on which carrier you have. So the best thing to do is to check with your carrier to see exactly what a process will look like given your circumstances. So that's pretty much all you need to know about how to transfer pretty much any data you want from an iPhone to your brand new Android phone. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.